In this FunnelsBot review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to get automated free traffic using the power of social media and a special software. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out FunnelsBot, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, tired of struggling with outdated methods of getting customers? Futuristic app uses AI and machine learning technology to drive unlimited traffic 24/7 from social media and converts them into red hot customers completely hands free. This uses auto comment, auto private reply, and it has a 0 monthly fee along with it. You can see here, you can capture your audience's attention with social media posts and automate them. You can use these built-in hacks for Facebook Messenger, Google My Business, one-time notification broadcasts, no coding required. Your customers using AI-powered chatbots so that you don't have to worry about spending hours interacting with non-buyers, and you can access this from any device that you want to. Now they've got here a vary by case study here, so case studies of people actually using Messenger to spark conversations and get sales. There's another success story here, more proof here on the sales page. Real-time customer, the new expectation real-time response to customers. So people are expecting that they're going to get responded to. So you essentially just go in here, you create your stunning posts, engage with your customers, and then you, of course, turn them into a sale using the software here. Now, if we go down here, I'm not going to look at all this with you, as you can do this on your own time. I just want to show you what you're going to be getting if you decide to purchase here. They've got a bunch of stuff here. It's got comparisons to other software out there. This has all the stuff in it, like all these other ones here are like monthly payments. This has a ton of all these different features, and it's a one-time price for this. Now, there's two licenses here. There's the personal version and the commercial one. The commercial one has more features in it, and it's just a little bit more expensive. I don't know, this looks like it's probably wrong here that this actually costs less, but it's going to be similar pricing to this once you get to the sales page if you get it during the launch period. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you a demo video. After the demo video is done, I'll be back to show you the different OTOs and upgrades.
If you are selling anything online, anything at all, the one thing you need more than anything else is traffic. And not just regular traffic, you need traffic that is looking to buy what you're selling. Unfortunately, now if you're relying on email marketing with email filters becoming tighter than ever, most of your marketing emails are just landing in the junk folder or trash. That's why a lot of entrepreneurs and online marketers have increased the number of Facebook ads that they were running to target the audience, but this has its own set of problems. The number of advertisers has grown exponentially over the last couple of years, and as a result of that, the audience has become ad blind, leaving your ads with little or no traction at all. So you end up spending time, money, and other resources on methods that just don't get the result you wanted. The good news is you have now got a better option that's affordable and doesn't require any special skills or prior experience. And within minutes and just a few clicks of your mouse, you can capture your audience's attention, engage your customers using bots powered by machine learning and artificial intelligence, and generate free buyer traffic 24/7 to your offers as well as for your clients. And you could drive top quality traffic from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Medium, Blogger, WordPress, and more. Introducing FunnelsBot. FunnelsBot is a powerful futuristic app that uses the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence to drive unlimited traffic 24/7 from social media and helps you convert them into paying customers, all completely hands-free. You could use FunnelsBot to deliver quality customer service and increase customer retention, build trust in your business and brand, and gain more recurring profits, generate high-quality leads and boost conversions, and increase intent to purchase to skyrocket sales. And the best part, you could use a FunnelsBot for your own projects, or you could use it to create run and manage campaigns for clients and keep 100% of the profit for yourself. Watch how easy it is to generate quality traffic that converts. Step 1 is to create stunning posts and bots with drag and drop ease. Step 2 is to engage your audience with auto comments and auto private replies. Step 3, FunnelsBot uses the power of AI to effortlessly turn audiences into customers. FunnelsBot is a cloud-based software, so there's nothing to install or edit. You could be a total newbie with no technical skills at all, no prior experience, and still generate high-quality traffic like a seasoned marketer within minutes. With FunnelsBot, you will be able to save thousands of dollars that you'd normally spend on running ads that get you just a trickle of traffic, save countless hours manually replying to every customer that comments on your post, and create winning campaigns that engage and convert your audience into customers in minutes, not hours. Now, the traffic we are able to generate using FunnelsBot is proven to convert, and when you get FunnelsBot today, you get free access to a flow builder that makes creating AI-powered chatbots point and click easy. And one of the best things about FunnelsBot is the discounted price that we're offering when you get it right now. Very soon, we plan to charge $67 per month for FunnelsBot. Even at that price, FunnelsBot is a no-brainer when you consider how easy it is to generate quality traffic and convert them into paying customers for yourself and for your clients. But during the initial launch of the FunnelsBot, we have waived the monthly fee and slashed the price so you can easily afford getting your hands on this game-changing app. Click the button below right now to lock in your discount before the price goes up. We're also including some powerful bonuses, by the way, that will help you get more out of FunnelsBot app. You know, these bonuses are alone valued at $1,997, but they are yours for free when you get FunnelsBot right now. And because we don't want anything to stop you from taking action, we're also going to guarantee your purchase with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And that means if you change your mind for any reason, just let us know and we will send you a refund. If you like the idea of being able to stop burning your money on ads and firing your social media manager, then you shouldn't waste a single second and get access to FunnelsBot right now at a super low one-time price. Click the button below now to get access to FunnelsBot for a low one-time payment and claim your bonuses.
So this is the first upgrade you're going to see here. It says unlock your income potential to full with the powerful FunnelsBot Deluxe Unlimited. So this is going to give you more features with this. Unlock SMS and email, unlimited page search, 10 additional social sharings, group lists, regular monthly updates, all kinds of different things. Unlimited group posts, hashtag searches, unlimited post creators, free commercial license, all included inside of a one-time payment here for this one. The next one here is the agency one. So if you want to go and actually make this into a business and provide this as a service, it has like a done-for-you agency website, easy one-click installation, commercial graphics, all the things that you need to start a real business with this. Next one here, upgrade to FunnelsBot High Performance Bundle. If you want to upgrade it with this one, and you can get all these extra features in here with software. Again, this is an optional upgrade for this one. Next one here is templates. So if you want 40 done for you premium templates and 10 more every month, then you can upgrade to this one right here. And it's a little bit more expensive, but you get extra stuff added in every month as well. And the last one here is you can actually sell this and have your brand on it with your own logo, and you can keep all the money associated with this. So if you want to pick this one up, there's 3 different licenses here. There's the 200, the 500, or the unlimited. You can get the unlimited one for $297. All these different upgrades are optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget about the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I think about FunnelsBot? What do I like about it and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, there's a lot of different offers on the funnel here. Some of these things you won't need. So again, like I said before, pick and choose which ones you want and forget about the ones that you don't there. All these different things. Some of these tools in here might be more useful to you than others. So don't feel like you have to use every single tool in your business. What do I like about this? For a very low time price, you get to go and actually use these to get traffic to your business. Anytime I find a tool that's going to give me extra traffic, it's always worth it to put it into my business, as traffic equals leads, leads equal money. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at FunnelsBot, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.